Welcome back, Freedom Savers. So as I said, I'm moving my updates towards the weekend because my schedule changed at work. So I'm sorry about that, but I will get all the updates out before the end of Sunday. So that way you know exactly what happened the entire week after the market closed. So let's get into it. This is the Roth IRA. Current value is $55.1649 with 37 cents sitting in cash. I was paid some dividends. I was paid by Illinois Toolworks and Altria Group, $1.18 total. I've been depositing $23.80 every day. I was also paid dividend by Pepsi and nobody. All right. As you see from the funding, I'm depositing $23.80 every day. As long as they don't have any unforeseen closures in the market, that should get me to an even 6,000 by the end of December. Let's go to the spreadsheet. Current value of the portfolio is $5,516.49. I've deposited $5,692.80, which puts me at a 3.1% loss of $176.31. The market did drop quite a bit recently, but has been recovering this past week. So I was down a lot more than this, and it is now recovering a little bit. The reason my Roth is still in the negative, even though the market has been recovering, is because when I first started my Roth back in September, that was at the peak of the prices of the bull run. So those prices were pretty much as high as they possibly could be when I decided to start buying them. So my average cost for all my stocks that I own is pretty high. So I expect my Roth to actually be in the hole a little bit when my other ones are slightly up. On the dividend side, we have earned $36.97. Been paid $3.85 of that so far this month. I don't know if January is going to be able to beat December. December, we got paid quite a few dividends, but we will see. We are almost halfway through and it's not even close. And that's fine because a lot of these companies pay quarterly. The majority of them pay quarterly, and so it'd be expected to have certain ones paid more in certain months. So we didn't sell anything. We've made no changes to the portfolio whatsoever. Just kept buying and adding to it and increasing our dividend income, which is the plan. Yields, I don't believe we've had any dividend changes. Nope, that was just that special dividend. Nope, nobody's changed their dividends. So let's go to our yearly tab. This is all updated. As you can see, I am in the red on most of my positions. So we are down, but that's again because I purchased most of these at the highest price possible originally. My average price for buying these stocks is pretty high, but we are doing pretty good and it is recovering. So we had 5 investing days this week that I did invest for a total of $119 I put into the Roth. We increased our yearly income by $3.75, which gave me a yield on cost of 3.15%. Right now, I am going to be getting $184.96 a year in dividends, which divided out by 12 per month comes to $15.41, giving me an overall return on this portfolio of 3.25%, which is pretty good. The S&P 500, I think, is averaging just over 2% right now. So that's pretty good. I should do a portfolio update. I think I'm going to do it probably the end of January, where I actually compare my portfolio to the S&P 500, and we see if we're beating the S&P 500 or if the S&P 500 is performing better than our portfolio. Same stuff here. Nothing's changed. Consistent purchases every single day the market's open, and our dividends, which I've already shown you. That's pretty much it for the Roth, guys. Nothing too exciting. I haven't changed anything. We're continuing to invest every single day as usual. And this week's been pretty good on the market. Every day was a green one except for Friday, which was very, very slightly into the red. As you can see, we are still going up. So that's it. That's all I got for the Roth update, guys. Not too exciting. The aggressive dividend one, I've got a lot more information on that one. That's it. I hope you guys are doing good. Have a great weekend. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks, guys.